Bought and tested Amazon's most popular bug repellents, so you don't have to. All of these are great for dogs, little ones, all that kind of stuff. That's kind of why I bought these. Tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these, and then put them together head to head. They are very, very similar, but there are some little differences that might make it a better decision for you. I bought all three, so you could just buy the best one for you. We got the BugMD spray right over here. We got Kate's Home and Garden, and then we got the EcoVenger over here. We're gonna go one by one, and then at the very end, I'll kind of walk you through what you need to know about all of these. So this is going to be the BugMD one right over here. This is going to come with this spray bottle right here, and then it's going to come with two of these bottles right here. So these are solutions. You're going to dump this in. You do get this canister right here and the sprayer. It's going to come with a little packet that walks you through exactly how to do it. I just put a full packet in here. So you're going to put a packet in here, and you're going to mix this with 27 ounces of water. Literally just kind of fill it with your faucet. It's not like you have to measure it out or anything like that. And you get two of these. So this is going to be good for like 64 ounces. So once you add the 27 ounces, the solution must be whatever, and that gives you 32. Now, this is going to be great for ants, ticks, fleas, bed bugs, mites, roaches, spiders, and flies. I live in the woods, as you could tell out here. We get tons of spiders. All sorts of stuff are always crawling around. I really like this for a couple things. On contact, it eliminates the bug. So if you see one, you hit it with this, it's done. You know, there's no kind of like delay or anything like that. So that's nice. And this also prevents as well. So you could spray this in, and it's safe for like spraying in your kitchen, spraying outdoors, spraying in the basement. I spray it all around this door right here. This is a sliding glass door. So I can kind of put it on the screen sometimes so the bugs don't go there. And of course, in all the cracks. There is no scent to this, which I personally like. So if you're kind of sensitive to scents and stuff, just know that this is going to be made out of clove oil and cottonseed oil. So that's kind of the main ingredients. It doesn't smell. Once you spray this, it doesn't really leave a residue either. So just kind of note that. And that's what makes it nice for pantries, kitchens, basements, pretty much all the stuff. Next up is going to be Kate's. This one is Kate's Home and Garden. So this is a peppermint and cedar oil. That's kind of the main ingredients of this one right over here. This is going to be good for ants, flies, and spiders. So if you're kind of just dealing with these three major ones, this one might be a better fit for you. We'll get into the comparison in a second. For this one, it's going to come, you get 16 ounces, comes in this bottle, you're good to go. There's no kind of seal you have to break or anything like that. You'll literally just take this out, you're ready to go. It does have a nice little nozzle here, if you could see, that says off, so you know. And then if you turn it this way right over here, that's gonna say spray. There's no different spray kind of distances or anything like that. It's either off or not. So that's nice if you have little ones, you don't have to worry about this. Now, this one is going to have, this is also prevents as well. So this is going to be great for prevention, similar to this one. And this one also eliminates on contact as well. So that's kind of this one. You want to shake this up, and then you're good to go to spray it. This one does have a cedar smell to it. So just note that. If you like a cedar smell, just think of like a deck or cedar wood. This is going to be great for you because it does have that smell as soon as you spray it. Now, once you spray it and it kind of dissipates a little, you're not really smelling it that much. This one does leave a tiny residue. So just note that if you're kind of spraying it. But if you're in like cracks and crevices and stuff like that, it doesn't really matter. But that's this one. Good for the ants, flies, and spiders. And this is good for indoor, outdoor, fine for kids too. This one right over here, the EcoVenger. This is going to be good for ants and crawling insects. So we mainly got this. We had a storm. It poured like crazy. And we had a bunch of ants visit us after that. And I was looking something that was good for our dog and also good for little ones, and came across the EcoVenger to try it out. This is going to be great. So this is another one that on contact, it eliminates them immediately, which I like because it's just kind of weird if they're just kind of squirming around. And this will disrupt the ant trails. So basically, if you could find the colony, or for whatever reason an ant takes this back to the colony, it will knock it out, which is a nice feature of this one. This is good for indoor and outdoor as well. This one, you get it, and it's ready to go too. You don't have to add anything to this. This is going to have more of a citronella smell to it. So if that's more your jam, it is plant extract based as well. So really easy to use. Again, same type of nozzle as the other one over here. Now, which one would be the best fit for you? I would say a couple things here. So if you don't want one that smells or has any scents, it's going to be the BugMD, because this one has no scent whatsoever. I would say these two scents right over here, you're going to get a cedar. This one, you're going to get a citronella. So that's off the bat. If you have lots of different bugs, I would say this one is for you. This is going to get ants, ticks, fleas, bedbugs, mites, roaches, spiders, and flies. That does kind of all of it. I would say this one right over here is going to be for the ants, flies, and spiders. And this one is mainly for ants. So that's kind of why we got this one right over here, to kind of take care of that ant colony after that big flood. Now, in terms of what you get, you're going to get 64 ounces with this one right over here. Again, you could get multiple of these. Some of them do come in different sizes as well, so if you wanted to get more. Okay, in terms of good to go, this one, you're going to get a solution. You have to mix it with water. These two right here are good to go right out of the box. So if you're looking for something right out of the box, you could just use right away. I would say this is going to be these two. Either one of these will be the one for you. It's really just going to come down to scent between the cedar and the citronella, which one you want. Again, for this one, this is more for ants. So if you're having an ant problem, I'd say the EcoVenger one's for you. If you're looking for the ants, spiders, and flies, I'd say this one's for you. If you're looking for it all, you got the ticks, the fleas, which we kind of are because we have this outdoor area over here. I would say the BugMD is going to be the one for you. Again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. Just depends on what you really want. If you care about scent or not, what types of bugs you're trying to repel or eliminate. But again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. We'll be using all three of these, or get all three and test them out yourself. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right repellent for you.